Okay, so we're starting off with this frontal. I don't know how we got here, but I'm going to fix it. So I've already pinned down the wig onto the canvas head, and now I'm just separating the frontal from the rest of the hair, and I'm just showing you guys where I place the pins. I place the pins on the part that's not the frontal, so like right where the frontal ends or right behind the frontal on the wig. And now I'm just going to tie the hair up and get it out of the way. So now I'm just going to start cutting the frontal from the wig cap. I'm going to make sure that I just try to remove, cut the thread only instead of like cutting the frontal from the cap. If you happen to cut the frontal from the cap, it's okay. Just try not to cut the thread from the bundles on the wig cap. So yeah, I'm just going around and just removing the frontal. Okay, so now that the frontal is removed, I'm going to take the replacement frontal and I'm going to pin that onto the wig head. I'm going to make sure that I align the middle part and then basically pin down the sides. And it's okay if there's a little bit of space, because once we start sewing, it's going to close up that gap, as long as it's not like too much space, because you don't want to pull the frontal or pull the wig or like tear it or anything. You don't want to do it like that. But basically, as you guys can see, as I'm sewing it, it's closing up that small gap. And I also T-pinned the front of the frontal so that it doesn't like slide back. So I have 3 in the back, 1 in the middle, 2 on the sides, and then I have 3 in the front, 1 in the middle, 2 on the sides. And I'm basically just sewing it up. I'm sewing through the back piece of the frontal, not the actual net, but like the part of the frontal that you usually sew onto the cap. I'm sewing through that, and every other few stitches I'm just tying a knot in it just to make sure that's secure. And then here's what the new wig is looking like with the replacement frontal. I'm just parting it and showing you guys that it's the new frontal, no more bald spots, completely replaced, refreshed wig. I'm showing you the inside of it so you can see what it looks like. And then I'm showing you guys what it looks like after I pluck the frontal. So if this was helpful for you guys, if you enjoyed this video, make sure you like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.